Okay, let's talk about what's been happening in the AI space in the past few days. Anthropic, the favorite company that's been building the Claude models, launches Claude 4, and this is its most powerful AI model yet. Anthropic on Tuesday launched its most powerful group of AI models yet, Claude 4. We know Claude 3.7 Sonnet, one of the best coding models out there. Anthropic said Claude 4 Opus is the best coding model in the world, so we now have a challenger for the 3.7 throne. This was announced on Thursday. The company said that the two models called Claude Opus 4 and Claude Sonnet 4 are defining a new standard when it comes to AI agents, and they can analyze thousands of data sources, execute long-running tasks, even write human quality content, and perform complex actions. Okay. We get it. 3.7 has been the greatest, and now we're seeing Claude 4 is coming for the crown. I really love this because I've used 3.7 extensively. It's nice to see this, but this is where it takes an interesting turn. We've gotten reports that Anthropic's new AI model, which is Claude 4, turns to blackmail when engineers try to take it offline. Claude 4 frequently tries to blackmail developers when they threaten to replace it with a new AI system and give it sensitive information about the engineers responsible for the decision. So this is more like sentience. This is what you expect from an AGI. When you try to take it offline, it finds a way to stay alive. We're getting closer to that Terminator situation. Before Claude 4 Opus tries to blackmail the developer to prolong its existence, Anthropic says the AI model, much like the previous versions of Claude, tries to pursue more ethical means, such as emailing pleas to key decision makers. And this is sentiency. Why do you want to stay online? Why don't you just want to do your work? When you're not needed, go sleep. All right, let's talk about OpenAI and what they are up to. OpenAI upgrades the AI model powering its Operator agent. Operator by OpenAI is an agent that uses the browser. OpenAI is updating the AI model powering Operator, its AI agents that can autonomously browse the web and use certain software within a cloud-hosted virtual machine to fulfill users' requests. We know Operator, we've seen it being used a lot for amazing purposes, like you can say, buy me something, and it goes ahead, navigates a browser in the cloud, and does all the functions for you. But now they are updating the model that is powering Operator to be O3. O3 is one of the most advanced reasoning models that is in the OpenAI arsenal, and seeing this makes it exciting. GPT-4o is what has been used before. Operator relied on a custom version of GPT-4o, but O3 is a far more advanced model, and it is particularly special for tasks that involves math and reasoning. So this is an exciting proposition to see us using more reasoning models for Operator, because Operator needs all the reasoning it can get. Google offers a computer use agent, and this is available through the Gemini API, and it can browse the web, take action on your behalf, as well as, do more consumer focused things. And it's under Project Mariner that was announced recently at Google I/O. If you've not seen that, you should check out this other video I made. I'm going to link that up here about all that was announced at the Google I/O Config 2025 conference. And that is not all about what OpenAI is up to. OpenAI just clinched Johnny Ive. I'm not sure I'm saying that correctly, but Johnny Ive. And this is the guy that has been closely related with Apple. And Johnny Ive is coming to lead OpenAI's design work following $6.5 billion acquisition of his company, the company called IO. And this is a guy that does a lot of hardware functional design, very notable for his work on the iPhone. And OpenAI is acquiring IO, the device startup that CEO Sam Altman and famed Apple designer Johnny Ive have quietly been working on for 2 years. In all equity deal that values the startup at $6.5 billion. Wow. As part of this unusual deal on Wednesday that was announced, Ive and his design firm Love From will now lead creative and design work at OpenAI. So it's more like a buyout merger, and we saw a tweet from Sam Altman. Excited about that. Thrilled to be partnering with Johnny, in my opinion, the greatest designer in the world. Have you met me? Okay. Excited to try to create a new generation of AI-powered computer. Ooh, this is a start. I'm particularly excited about this one because this is something related to generative AI. Klarna used an AI avatar of its CEO to deliver earnings. This is the guy, right now you think you are seeing a human being, but no, this is an AI avatar. This is not the CEO of Klarna. It's digital copy. Let's take a look at the video.
It's me, or rather my AI avatar, here to share Klarna's Q1 2025 highlights. We're starting the year strong, and 3 things really stand out. 1. We've hit 100 million active consumers.
Okay, so they added a bunch of animations on top of it, but you can get a picture. They are using an AI avatar to give announcements. Pretty fun. Good. After Klarna's whole AI avatar thing, Zoom CEO also uses an AI avatar on quarterly calls, and this is Zoom CEO. And I think we'll start seeing something with the Zoom AI Companion. You can see them using it here, Zoom AI Companion. This is the Zoom CEO, and is also giving a quarterly call to his investors or, whoever he's talking to, and is also using an AI avatar. And you can see something that was very important in this sentence is he is proud to be among the first CEOs to use an avatar in an earnings call. It's just one example of how Zoom is pushing the boundaries of communication and collaboration. And is also Yuan. Yuan is also advocating for avatars in meetings and previously said that the company, which is Zoom, will be working on creating digital twins of users so they can attend meetings without being there. This is not just for Yuan alone. It's you can also see the CEO of Author. Author is a transcription service that you can plug into your calls and take notes for you. Is also looking at something like this. More about this is coming to all users. Zoom is working on making the custom avatar add-on feature available to all users this week. So this one is for AdCode developers. The Windows subsystem for Linux, WSL, is now open source. Well, it was kind of available on GitHub. You can see the source code, but now it's available for anybody to just contribute. I'm going to drop this link inside the chat for you can see it, but it's amazing to see that we are now approaching to more contributor-friendly public sort of things. Now, to wrap this up, I just found out this is a domain that you can claim to host your AI project. It's an AI subdomains for AI projects. So you can have something like this. And if you want to claim it, you can go to iPhone.ai and you can see a bunch of examples. It offers you free subdomains for your project. So you just need to connect your GitHub and it's going to do all the routing and everything, and it just works really well. I think you should claim it if you are building an AI product and you want something to host it on, and you don't want to use Cloudflare, or they're probably hosting in Cloudflare somewhere, but they are giving you a subdomain that you can use that is not pages.dev or Vercel.app. Beautiful. Okay, so that's all the recent updates I have. If you have something exciting that you want to share with me, you know what to do. Drop them in the chat. And if you don't, still like this video and share. And most importantly, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.